So I have like a tiny bit of acne scarring just from when I used to get breakouts. I don't really get breakouts anymore. Like I get the odd spot, but nothing like what I used to get. But I have been left with a little bit of scarring. Will this help with it?
So yes, definitely the Dermaroller will help people that suffer from acne scarring. We would never Dermaroller recommend anyone to use Dermaroller if the acne is active. So once the acne has like been controlled and it's just the scarring remaining, it will help kind of repair the damaged tissue, because we're creating microchannels, we're creating a controlled injury on the skin, and then our skin is going to go into repair mode and it's going to repair the damaged tissue from the acne itself. So yeah, definitely, you'll definitely see a massive result.
So it kind of goes back to the same principle as reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Am I right in saying that?
Yeah. So again, with our fine lines and wrinkles, our skin is slowing down, so we need to reproduce the collagen and elastin. It's also really good for anybody that has dark circles around their eyes. It's a really popular one. So with the dark circles around the eyes, it's important that we don't go up too close to the bone. If you can see, when you're doing your eyes, if you kind of gently stretch your skin down and only work with the roller up until the bone. So obviously if we work to the bone here, we're missing a lot of skin. It's important that we don't go above the bone because the skin is really, really thin. So stretch your skin down, and that means that we're going to pull our skin down a little bit and really, really lightly do it. That's going to stimulate the collagen production, and if you have kind of dark circles, it will help reduce them and kind of thicken up the skin around the eyes to help with kind of fine lines that appear around there. And ultimately, if you suffer from acne scarring, the Dermaroller will help reduce it, if not get rid of it. But it really depends how many times you do it. We would recommend maybe 1 or 2 microneedling, because it's going to go down a little bit deeper than the Dermaroller. So you go into a clinic to get that done, and then maintain it at home with your roller is the best results.
Do you want to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, acne scarring, sun-damaged skin, or maybe you have stretch marks? Then this is a perfect product for you. We're recording this video from Havana Skin Clinic as we have just launched our Image ADS Premium Dermaroller. It's an at-home microneedling device, and we're selling it at a whopping 60% discount, as when this product went to manufacture, unfortunately for us, there was a typo on the outside of the box, but luckily for you, we're selling it at 60%. So grab yours in the link below at a whopping 60% off. Thanks so much.